In 1971, Vikrant embodied India's might and power in the liberation of a nation. After 36 years of service, the legend came to rest. Her legacy did not. The new Vikrant is an expression of India's aspirations, the flagship of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Designed by the Navy's Warship Design Bureau, Vikrant has been built by one of the country's premier shipyards. On her very first sortie, Vikrant achieved full power and called green deck, conducting over 20 helicopter landings. Vikrant's sensors and weapons include advanced air surveillance radars, surface-to-air missiles and close-in weapon systems. When embarked, her air squadrons will provide three-dimensional capability to this floating fortress. The reach and power of both ship and aircraft are matched by her motto, "We defeat those who dare to fight." Powering Vikrant are not only 24,000 kilowatts, but a charged-up crew of 1,600.
Was